do first numerical based on the series combination. We have the numerical in which there are two resistance, each is having value 2 ohm and 2 ohm. We have a battery is attached 2 volt and there is ammeter is attached. In the question we have to find the reading of the ammeter. First of all we should know that which quantity ammeter is measuring. Ammeter measure current, so we have to find the current. In order to find the current we use the formula V is equals to IR, but here two resistance are there. First of all we have to make the two resistance into one, means we have to combine the resistance or find the equivalent resistance. Now here first of all electrons are moving from negative to positive and current is moving from positive to negative. Now the current is moving, same current is moving in each case, means in each resistance same current is moving. So this is a case of series. If this is a case of series, we have series formula, equivalent resistance formula, that is Rs is equals to R1 plus R2, means 2 plus 2 we get equivalent resistance equals to 4 ohm. Now apply the Ohm's law formula, V is equals to IR. Here V is 2 volt, I we have to calculate and R is 4 ohm. After cancellation we get I is equals to 0.5 ampere. So the ammeter gives 0.5 ampere reading. Now let's see the second question based on the parallel combination. Here I have a same circuit but each 2 ohm resistance now I am attaching in a parallel. Now we have to find the value of ammeter, or we can say that the reading on the ammeter. So it means we have to calculate the current. Now negative to positive electrons are moving and from positive to negative current is moving. At the junction the current is having two directions, so current is divided at this point and two current values are generating here. After that this current recombine on the another point and then whole current is flowing like this. It means here current is separating. Current is separating means current is dividing at this point. So this is a combination in parallel. So 2 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel. So we have to find the equivalent resistance. We know 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 for parallel combination. We have 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Here we get the LCM 2 and on the numerator we get 1 plus 1. We get 2 by 2, that is 1. Now reciprocal. We get Rp is equals to 1 ohm. Now V is equals to IR. V value is 2 ohm. I value we have to calculate and R is 1 ohm. And we get ammeter reading is 2 ampere. Our next question is based on the combination of series and parallel resistance. Here I have a circuit in which two resistance are in parallel, that is 3 ohm and 6 ohm, and one resistance are in series with the whole combination, that is 2 ohm. Now we have to calculate the value of battery, means we have to calculate the potential difference in created in this circuit so that 1 ampere current can flow in this circuit. So we have to calculate V. So in order to calculate V, first of all we have to calculate the equivalent resistance. Now start flowing the current through a circuit. The current is flowing through a circuit in parallel, current is divided, and in series, or we can say that for 2 ohm current is moving as it is. Now first of all solve the parallel. We have 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, means 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. We get LCM 6, on the numerator we get 3. So we get 1 by 2, but here is 1 upon Rp, so we have to reciprocal this. After reciprocal we get Rp is equals to 2 ohm. Now replace this thing, or we can say that replace the parallel combination with 2 ohm. Now we get the 2 ohm value. Now see both are in series, so we have to apply the series formula, that is Rs is equals to R1 plus R2, that is 2 plus 2. We get Rs is equals to 4 ohm. Now the whole circuit is replaced with one resistance value, that is 4 ohm. We have to calculate V. We know V is equals to IR. We have to calculate I is 1 ampere and R is 4 ohm. We get 4 volts, so we have to apply 4 volt battery in order to maintain the current of 1 ampere in this circuit. Let's start our next question, in which circuit is given and we have to calculate the value of voltmeter and ammeter. Voltmeter and ammeter, it means we have to calculate the potential difference across a given voltmeter and current through a circuit. In this question, we have a 5 volt battery attaching to a circuit in which there are 3 resistance. 2 resistance are in series, that is 5 ohm, and 1 resistance is parallel to the whole circuit, that is 5 ohm. So we have to calculate the reading of both the meters. I am calculating the value of ammeter. We know that ammeter measures the current. First of all, we will see how much current is flowing through a circuit. So for finding the current, we have a equation V is equals to IR. Here we have I we want to calculate, and R we have to first of all solve this equation. First of all, now see the direction of the current. Current is moving from positive to negative terminal. At the junction, current is divided. Where the current is divided, now current have 2 directions. First, upward direction and downward direction. Upward direction, both resistance experience same current. It means they are in series. First of all, we have to apply the series formula on the upward resistance. We get Rs is equals to R1 plus R2. We get 5 plus 5 equals to 10 ohm. Now replace the upward circuit with the new value of resistance, that is 10 ohm. Now 10 ohm and 5 ohm are in parallel. So apply the new formula of parallel, that is 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, that is 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10. We get LCM 10, and on the numerator we get the value 3. After reciprocal, we get Rp is equals to 10 by 3. It means the whole circuit of resistance is replaced with new value, that is 10 by 3. Now put the value in the equation. V is equals to IR. V we have 5 volt, I we have to calculate, and resistance value we have 10 by 3. We get the current value is equals to 3 by 2, that is 1.5 ampere. We have calculated the value or reading of the ammeter by calculating the current. Now we have to calculate the value of the voltmeter. In order to find the value of the voltmeter, first of all we have to calculate how much current is flowing through that circuit. In order to find the current, I am dividing the current into 2 parts at the junction, that is I1 and I2. We have to calculate the value of I1. We know that both the resistance, or we say that both the combination experience the same potential difference, that is 5 volt. Now we have V is equals to IR. V value we have, that is 5 volt. I value is nothing but I1, and R is nothing but a series of this combination. This series combination is nothing but 5 plus 5, that is 10 ohm. So we get R is equals to 10 ohm. After calculating, we get I1 is equals to 0.5 ampere. We have to calculate the value of the voltmeter. The voltmeter is actually taking the value of the potential difference across 5 ohm resistance. Current flowing through 5 ohm resistance is nothing but 0.5 ampere. Now apply the formula. V is equals to IR. V we have to calculate. I is nothing but 0.5 ampere and R is 5 ohm. We get the value of voltmeter is 2.5 volt.